Have you ever felt completely drained at the end of a workday, even though you think you're eating well and exercising? You wake up tired, your focus is off, and it seems like no matter how hard you try, your energy just can't keep up with your responsibilities. If you're a professional between 30 and 50, constantly under pressure at work and juggling multiple priorities, you may not realize that your body is silently struggling. Chronic stress and poor nutrition are major culprits behind declining testosterone levels, reduced vitality, and overall fatigue. What's worse, most people don't even connect the dots. They blame aging, genetics, or a demanding schedule, when in fact, the foods you consume daily can either protect or sabotage your hormone production. In today's video, we're going to break down which foods help boost testosterone naturally and reduce stress, and which ones quietly undermine your body's ability to stay energized, focused, and strong. You'll learn practical strategies and combinations you can incorporate right into your busy schedule, helping you restore balance and protect your hormones without spending hours in the kitchen or relying on expensive supplements. Stick with me until the end, because by the time we're finished, you'll have actionable steps to take control of your energy, performance, and overall well-being. Let us start with the first food that can make a significant difference in regulating stress and supporting testosterone: fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting hormone production. Chronic stress increases cortisol, the stress hormone that directly competes with testosterone in your body, and omega-3 help to moderate this effect. Including fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times a week can improve circulation, reduce systemic inflammation, and create a more favorable environment for your testosterone to thrive. You can make it simple by preparing baked salmon with a squeeze of lemon or adding sardines to salads or toast. The key is consistency. Small servings regularly are more effective than occasional large meals. Next on the list is leafy greens, particularly spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in testosterone production and stress regulation. Magnesium helps relax your muscles, improve sleep quality, and mitigate the negative effects of chronic cortisol elevation. Many busy professionals overlook the power of vegetables, focusing instead on protein-heavy meals. But adding a generous portion of leafy greens to lunch or dinner can make a substantial difference. Try a quick with olive oil and garlic or a fresh salad mixed with other colorful vegetables. This simple adjustment helps nourish your body, support your hormones, and provide steady energy throughout your day. The third food that deserves your attention is nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts. Nuts are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and essential micronutrients that aid testosterone production and manage stress levels. The healthy fats in nuts serve as building blocks for hormone synthesis, while compounds like arginine improve blood flow and cardiovascular health. Keep a small container of mixed nuts at your desk for a quick hormone-supportive snack instead of reaching for processed bars or sugary treats. Not only will this help sustain your energy, but it will also reduce cortisol spikes caused by poor dietary choices. Over time, incorporating nuts as part of your daily routine can stabilize your energy, protect testosterone, and even improve your mental clarity during demanding workdays. Another powerful food that often goes unnoticed is fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods support gut health, which is surprisingly connected to hormone regulation and stress management. A healthy gut produces neurotransmitters and other compounds that influence cortisol levels and overall hormonal balance. Including fermented foods daily or several times a week can improve digestion, support immunity, and indirectly enhance testosterone production. For example, adding a spoonful of sauerkraut to lunch, or a serving of yogurt with berries in the morning can be a simple and delicious way to strengthen your body from the inside out. Small, consistent steps like this protect your hormonal health without requiring a major lifestyle overhaul. Now, let us talk about one of the most critical foods for stress management and testosterone support: dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, ideally 70% or more. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids which have antioxidant properties that reduce inflammation and support healthy blood flow. Better blood flow means more nutrients and oxygen reach your muscles and organs, which is essential for optimal hormone production. Additionally, dark chocolate can lower cortisol and improve mood, making it an effective ally for professionals under constant stress. Enjoy a small piece in the afternoon as a mindful break. This not only satisfies a craving, but actively supports your body's ability to produce testosterone and handle stress more efficiently. While we've covered several foods that help, it's equally important to address those that can harm your hormonal balance. Highly processed foods, excessive sugar, and refined carbs are notorious for spiking cortisol and reducing testosterone levels. Think fast food, sugary snacks, pastries, and even some high-carb meals that lack nutrient density. These foods cause blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, increase inflammation, and trigger stress responses that interfere with hormone production. The solution isn't to eliminate all carbs or occasional treats entirely, but rather to prioritize nutrient-dense, whole foods that stabilize your energy and protect testosterone. Swapping sugary snacks for nuts, yogurt, or fruit, and replacing refined grains with vegetables or whole grains can dramatically improve your hormonal environment over time. Another category to be mindful of is alcohol. While moderate consumption is common in social and professional settings, alcohol has a direct negative impact on testosterone and can increase cortisol levels. Excessive drinking, especially in stressful periods, can compound fatigue, lower motivation, and interfere with recovery. For busy professionals, managing alcohol intake and choosing lower-impact options like red wine in moderation can help preserve energy and hormone balance. Pairing these choices with the supportive foods we've discussed amplifies the protective effect on testosterone and reduces overall stress burden. To bring all of this together, let's focus on practical combinations that integrate these hormone-supportive foods into your busy schedule. For breakfast, a serving of Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of walnuts provides protein, probiotics, and healthy fats to kickstart your day while moderating cortisol. For lunch, a spinach and kale salad topped with grilled salmon and olive oil ensures a mix of magnesium, omega-3s, and monounsaturated fats that support testosterone and mental clarity. A mid-afternoon snack of a small piece of dark chocolate with almonds, or a handful of nuts, helps maintain energy and reduce stress peaks. Dinner can feature fermented vegetables alongside lean protein, completing a day of meals that actively protect your hormonal health while keeping your body fueled and focused. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require complex meal plans or hours in the kitchen. It's about making intentional choices, understanding which foods nourish your hormones, and creating a routine that fits your life. Over time, these small, consistent changes lead to noticeable differences. Higher energy, better focus, improved mood, more resilience to stress, and naturally higher testosterone levels. You don't need extreme interventions or supplements, just smart nutrition that aligns with your body's needs. Now, here's why this is so crucial. Low testosterone and high stress don't just affect physical performance, they affect every aspect of your life. From mental clarity and emotional stability to productivity and relationships, your hormonal balance sets the tone. By understanding which foods help and which harm, you're taking control, creating a foundation for long-term health, and protecting your vitality against the pressures of modern life. So here's your action plan. Start incorporating at least 2 of the foods we discussed today into your routine this week. Track how you feel in terms of energy, focus, and mood. Make small, intentional swaps: nuts instead of sugary snacks, leafy greens with lunch, fermented foods with dinner, and notice how your body responds. These aren't quick fixes. They're sustainable habits that build long-term hormonal resilience and overall well-being. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods are you most excited to try first, and which ones do you already use in your routine? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insight could help others take control of their stress and hormonal health too. Finally, if you want more evidence-based strategies to improve energy, protect your hormones, and optimize performance despite a hectic schedule, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss future videos that dive even deeper into actionable tips for health, stress management, and testosterone support. Remember, your body responds to the choices you make every day, and small changes in your nutrition can create enormous results in your energy, focus, and overall vitality. Take action now and give your hormones the support they deserve. Your energy, focus, and vitality are waiting. Are you ready to take control?